Okay, to create a Facebook personal account, you need to go to your address bar on your browser, type in facebook.com. You'll reach this page here on your browser. Under create an account, you want to type in your name and your surname. So for us, we'll just put in Woke Insight for these demonstration purposes. And then you can use either your mobile or cell phone number or your email address to create an account. So for us, we'll just use our email address at Gmail. And then you need to re-enter it. But if you want to do it really fast, you just highlight the whole thing, right click, go to copy, and then right click into the box, and then hit paste. You need to create a password. Any password will do as long as it's 8 characters long minimum. Okay, then just enter your birthday. I'm just gonna, for these demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna choose a random age, then your gender, male, female, and if you associate yourself with a different gender, then you can just hit custom and then it gives you some options here, but I'm just gonna put male, then hit sign up. It will take you to this page here where it will ask you to enter a PIN number that's going to be sent to your email inbox. So we're just going to do that now. I'm just opening another tab, and on the address bar, I'm going to go to gmail.com. You guys can go to whatever your email provider is. So I get an email immediately from Facebook. That's the code here. So you just click on the email. Now there's 2 ways to confirm your account. So one way is to just copy the PIN. So just highlight it, right click, copy, and then you can go to the other tab and then right click, paste, and then hit continue. Okay. Or you can just make life easy and just hit the big blue button right here where it says confirm your account. Just click on that and it should. All right, so here you get a confirmation window that says you have successfully confirmed your account with the email that you've supplied, and it says that this is the email address you'll use as your login. Click OK, and congratulations, you have created your Facebook personal account.